From islands bright to cities bold, we've written dreams in lines of code. 16 years we dared to dream, now we rise, a nation's team. Through every build, through every call, tech has paved the path for all. No one's left behind, we stand side by side across this land. Tech empowered, hearts ignited, Filipinos all united. From the grassroots to the sky, we innovate, we amplify. This is our call, for one, for all. DEVCON strong, will never fall. Together we code, together we climb, for the Philippines. It's our time.